Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your models will practically build themselves. Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Murph. Welcome to the Kid Hoarder Stash. Now, today, I've got something a little bit different. It's a tank, but, well, we'll talk about things in our stash. So, here's an M48A3. It says Cyber Hobby, but it's the Dragon kit. And this one I bought clear back in 2014. I had wanted to do a Vietnam M48, so I picked up this one and I picked up another one at the same time, but we're going to look at what's in the box here today. So first off, and I understand that Ryfield or somebody's coming up with a another one of these, but I'll tell you what, this Dragon kit I really like. So here you've got the different markings and some of the features of this kit. Now, it does have the Dragon styrene tracks that everybody seems to hate, that I don't really have a problem with, but we'll see how those work out on here. Put this down here. Look at the instructions. And you've got your parts call-outs, you know, typical Dragon instructions. Looks like we got some extra torsion arms, which is good because I can always use spare parts. Here we are building the lower hull and the wheels and the suspension, putting the upper hull to the lower hull and putting details on the upper hull, getting our road wheels on, and then the toolboxes and other minute details that go onto the hull, which quite a few on this kit. Putting the gypsy rack together, getting your mantlet together, commander's cupola, getting the turret assembled, and then final assembly, and then of course the painting and markings. So there. Speaking of markings, this kit comes with, and I won't take them out, but you can see the decals that it comes with. And it comes with a metal wire for the tow cable. Here's your DS tracks. We'll see how these turn out. These are not bent, really, so this should be just fine. And this has the guide horns already in it, which is really good. Okay, now here's the kind of interesting part here. This kit has been started. This is one that I started to build some time ago. I forgot how far along I got, so we're only going to look at some of the parts, and we're going to look at the partially assembled kit. So I apologize. Here's the mantlet, the commander's cupola, and it's all very well formed. The machine gun for the cupola, and again, it looks great. The molding here is, you know, typical modern Dragon. It looks very, very good. Sprue B, which is missing one of the fenders because I've already assembled it, but the bolt and the rivet detail here is really, really good. Oh my gosh, yeah, this is really a nice kit. Toolboxes, a few other parts. Gas can, gypsy rack, some of the lift handles and the tow cable ends. Looks like some of the wheel parts here. And here's another sprue C, which is the, you know, two sprue C's that have the the wheels on them. So the wheels, looks like I've already put them together. Oh yeah, and it comes with this clear cupola piece, a couple of cupola pieces, the headlights, taillights, and a few other things. That's neat. So I've already put the spotlight together, the searchlight together, and I've put all the wheels together. Okay, also I put this together, and I got an aftermarket resin blast bag on here, and you can see the photo etch piece there that I've already put on, and you can see the fit. The fit on this thing is great. Very good fitting kit. So there's this part of the hull that I've put together. Look at this. It's got not only does it have texture, it's got stampings right here, casting marks, which is great. Here's where I've got the hull to at this point, and the texture's great on this thing. I'm interested to see this new kit that's come out. I don't know how it's going to rival this one unless it has an interior. This is a great kit. So anyway, like I said, I picked up two of these. I picked up this one, and I picked up the M48A3 Smart Kit, which you can kind of see all the really cool details on that. And the reason this moves around so easy is pretty much it's 90% built. So I don't quite have it finished yet, but you get the gist of it. It's still a little bit wet because I sprayed it off to wipe off some of the dust. So beautiful, just beautiful rendition of an M48. So hopefully this helps, and hopefully you enjoyed this. We will see you again next week on The Stash.